Before we can start with the editing process, we have to import the files we want to edit into Lightroom. To do that, you have to click the Import button on the left-hand lower corner. On the left-hand side, you select the source where your files are saved that you want to edit. Then you have to tick the ones you want to import in Lightroom. And after you've done that to all the pictures you want to edit, click on the Import button. I already did this and imported my pictures I want to edit. So maybe you know this after shooting, like I did right here. I got several exposures from the same beach, from the same sunset, so they all look nearly the same. I have to find out what the best exposures are that I want to edit. And you can rate the pictures with the keys, with the numbers on your keyboard. For example, if I press 1, then I get a 1-star rating. If I press 3, I get the 3-star rating. Obvious. If I hit 0, the star marks will be removed. By doing that, I can do a collection of photos I want to edit and then see them afterwards. Because if this picture gets a 1-star rating and this one gets a 1-star rating, I can sort all the pictures that got a 1-star rating. And to do that, I have to click the attribute and then click on the 1-star. Then all 1-star pictures are filtered. If you click on none, this will be reset. If we agreed on one exposure, then we click on it and then click D on your keyboard or simply the Develop tab on the top.